Next paragraph for question 11 and 12 is a thermal power plant produces electric power of 600 kilowatt at 4000 volt, which is to be transported to a place 20 kilometer away from the power plant for consumers' uses. It can be transported either directly with a cable of large current carrying capacity or by using a combination of step up and step down transformer at the two ends. The drawback of the direct transmission is the large energy dissipation. In the method using transformer, the dissipation is much smaller. In this method, a step-up transformer is used at the plant side so that the current is reduced to a smaller value. At the consumer's end, a step-down transformer is used to supply power to the consumers at the specified lower voltage. It is reasonable to assume that the power cable is purely resistive and the transformers are ideal with a power factor unity. All the current and voltages mentioned are RMS value. Now the question for paragraph is, if the direct transmission method with a cable of resistance 0.4 ohm per kilometer is used, the power dissipation in percentage during transmission is A 20, B 30, C 40 and D 50. In the comprehension, it is given that the power transmitted is 600 kilowatt, right? And at what voltage it should be transmitted? It should be transmitted at a voltage of 4000 volt, right? Now the transmission distance is 20 kilometer. The transmission distance S is equal to D, you can say transmission distance D is equal to 20 kilometer. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the power dissipation in percentage, right? Power dissipation in percentage. It is given that resistance of cable कितना दिया गया है? 0.4 ohm. Resistance of cable is given as 0.4 ohm per kilometer. So obviously, what will the resistance of cable of this much length? D is equal to, so this will be, we have R will be equal to 20 into how much? 0.4. So this will be equal to 8 ohm. This is 8 ohm. So this is the resistance of total cable. Now we have to find the power loss, right? So what we will do, power is given 600 kilowatt and applied voltage is 4000 watt. So what will be current flowing through the circuit? Now what will be current flowing through the transmission line? This is given by how much? 600 P by V. So 600 and it is kilowatt. So 10 to the power 3 कर देंगे divided by applied voltage. This is 4000, right? This is 4000. So 10 to the power 3 यहाँ से कट गया ये, right? ये 10 to the power 3 से ये कट जाएगा और ये कितना हो जाएगा? This will be equal to 150 ampere. Now the current through the circuit is 150 ampere. So what will be power loss? We have power loss will be equal to how much? This is I square into R, right? So I 150 ampere we have already calculated. So this is 150 square into R. R is already given as 20 into 0.4. So this will be equal to 8, right? So this will be equal to 8 ohm. So this come to be, this will be equal to 180 kilowatt, right? This will be equal to 180 kilowatt. So this power loss will be equal to 180 kilowatt. So what will be percentage power loss? What will be percentage power loss? This will be equal to power loss in kilowatt. So this is 180, right? Divided by original power, input power. So this is equal to 600 and multiplied by how much 100 for this percentage. So 0 0 ये हो गया. So this come to be 30%. This come to be 30%. So our option B is correct, right? Option B is the correct one. Next question for the paragraph is, in the method using the transformers, assume that the ratio of number of turns in the primary to that in the secondary in the step-up transformer is 1:10. If the power to the consumer had to be supplied at 200 volt, the ratio of the number of turns in the primary to that in the secondary in the step-down transformer is A 200:1, B 150:1, C 100:1, and D 50:1. This has been asked in JEE Advanced 2013 plus 3 and minus 1 marks. Now here it is given that number of turns in for step-up transformer, number of primary to secondary turns, that is NP E2 NS. It is given as 1:10. Now the power the consumer had to be supplied is at 200 volt. The power to be supplied is 200 volt. V is equal to 200 volt. 200 volt पर power supply करना है हमको, and we have to calculate the in secondary या step down transformer. In step down transformer we have to calculate the ratio of primary to secondary. We have NP to NS is equal to what? We have to calculate. So सबसे पहले दिया है number of turn का ratio 1:10 है. Now the generating voltage is 4000 volt. 4000 volt generating voltage है, तो क्या हो जाएगा 1:10 है. तो अगर ये generating voltage 4000 है, राइट, तो ये ट्रांसमिशन वोल्टेज क्या होगा 1:10. इसका 10 टाइम्स होना चाहिए. सो ट्रांसमिशन वोल्टेज विल बी इक्वल टू हाउ मच, इसका 10 टाइम्स, 4000 का 10 टाइम्स, तो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू हाउ मच, this is 4000, so this will be equal to 40,000 volts. So our transmission voltage will be equal to 40,000 volts. Now this 40,000 volt is to be used at a voltage of 200. Now voltage is 200 volt. So क्या हो जाएगा for ये हमारा ये रेशियो चाहिए. Now this 40,000 volt to be used as 200 volt, right? सेकेंडरी में स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर में दिस 40,000 वोल्ट को 200 वोल्ट ये करके यूज करना है हमको. देयरफॉर क्या हो जाएगा, देयरफॉर वी हैव NP to NS, राइट? प्राइमरी टू सेकेंडरी, ऑब्वियसली प्राइमरी में ज्यादा रहना चाहिए. सो क्या हो जाएगा, दिस इज 40,000 डिवाइडेड बाई 200, right? So this will be equal to how much? 200:1. So 200:1, the turn ratio will be equal to 200:1. So our option A will be correct.